Hobby. We are cracking 2024 Gold Rush Lightning Baseball 5-box, half a case. Pick your team, break number 117 on the website, guys. May 25th, 2024, left-hand side of your screen. First name with the first initial of your last name next to the team or teams you have purchased. I want to thank everyone again so much for your support. Really appreciate it. I will give everybody a second to look over the list so they know which team or teams they have, and then we will get started. All right, let's get to it. We got our 5 boxes right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2024 Gold Rush Lightning Baseball. 1 premium trading card per box. Love the Lightning product line. Plastic coming off. Box number 1. Here we go. All right, we've got our pack there. Empty box. All right, guys. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Pack number 1. Hit number 1 coming at you. All right, here we go. First hit. We got a Bob Feller with a Beckett Authentic Auto. Bob Feller. How about it? A Bob Feller Beckett Authentic Auto there. For your Indians, Thomas R. Congrats. Baseball Heroes card. Congrats to the Indians. Bob Feller auto. Very nice hit. Baseball Heroes on the Baseball Heroes card there. Very nice hit for the Indians. Thomas R. Congrats. Nice Bob Feller with the Beckett Authentic Auto. Box number 2 coming at you. Box number 2. Got our pack there. Empty box. Here we go. All right, guys. Here we go. Hit number 2. Gem Mint 10 Auto. Walker Buehler. PSA DNA certified auto. The auto Gem Mint 10. Walker Buehler. Congrats to the Dodgers. Very nice here for the Dodgers. Timothy K. Congrats. Very nice. Walker Buehler. PSA DNA certified auto grade of a Gem Mint 10. Your Dodgers. Congrats. Very nice hit. That is on his first Bowman, too. On his first Bowman there also. 2015. Bowman. Walker Buehler auto. Gem Mint 10 on the auto grade. Congrats to your Dodgers. Box number 3. Here we go. Hit number 3 coming at you. Oh. 2021 Donruss Optic Ronald Acuna Jr. Beckett Authentic Auto. Are you kidding me? How about it for the Braves? That's on his 2021 Donruss Optic card there. What a hit for the Braves. Edward L. Congrats. A Acuna Auto. Beckett Authentic Auto there too. Wow, what a hit. What a hit. Acuna, auto, Beckett, Authentic Auto for the Braves. Wow. Wow. Congrats, Edward L. We got an Acuna auto. All right. Box number 4. Hit number 4. Hit number 4. Here we go. Hit number 4. Beckett 10 auto. 9-5 gem mint. That is one gorgeous looking card there. 2021 Bowman Transcendent autographs. Joey Bart. It's a 9-5 gem mint. Beckett 10 auto grade too. That is numbered there. 9 out of 20. 9 out of 20 there too. Gorgeous hit there. The Giants. John B. Congrats. Very nice. Joey Bart. 2021 Bowman Transcendent. Joey Bart, rookie auto, 9 out of 20. 9-5 gem mint. Beckett 10 auto on the auto grade there. Wow, congrats to the Giants. All right, guys, box number 5. Here we go. Empty box. All right, guys. Box number 5, hit number 5. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Your last hit. Another auto coming at you. Beautiful looking patch. Beautiful looking patch there, too. Mr. Brady Singer. Gorgeous patch auto. Rookie auto out of Select. A 1 out of 5, too. My, oh, my. 1 out of 5 there. How about that? Brady Singer. Look at that patch. Rookie auto out of Select for the Royals. Todd H. Wow, that is one gorgeous patch. Rookie auto there. 1 out of 5. Brady Singer. Congrats to the Royals. 1 out of 5 right there. What a hit. Let's run back through our hits here, guys. Gorgeous Brady Singer. Beautiful 3-color patch. Rookie auto out of Select for the Royals. Congrats, Todd H. Gorgeous hit there. What a beautiful card. How about this for the Giants? Joey Bart, rookie auto out of 2021 Bowman Transcendent autographs. 9-5 gem mint. And a 10 auto grade, too. 9 out of 20 there. What a hit for the Giants. Congrats to the Giants there. What a sharp card. Congrats, John B. How about an Acuna auto? 2021 Donruss Optic. Ronald Acuna Jr. auto. Beckett Authentic auto there. Congrats to the Braves. What a hit, Edward L. Congrats. My goodness, Acuna auto. For the Dodgers, Walker Buehler, Gem Mint 10, PSA DNA certified auto there on his first Bowman. 2015 Bowman. Walker Buehler, PSA DNA certified auto, Gem Mint 10 on the auto grade 2. Congrats to your Dodgers, Timothy K. And our very first hit of the break was Mr. Bob Feller. Another authentic auto on his Baseball Heroes card, going to the Indians. Congrats, Thomas R. Very nice. Bob Feller auto there for your Indians. Fantastic break there, guys. I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. Really, really do appreciate it. Once again, cardboardhobby.com. We do have other breaks filling on the website. Don't miss out on those. We've got a great break schedule all throughout the rest of the holiday weekend. And a great break schedule all next week. I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions. Thank you so much again for your support. Please be smart, be safe out there.